Apple unveils the new 13 MacBook Air with the powerful M3 chip. The world's most popular laptop is better than ever with even more performance, faster Wi-Fi, and support for up to 2 external displays. Display: Liquid Retina display, 15.3-inch, diagonal, LED backlit display with IPS technology, 2880 by 1864 native resolution at 224 pixels per inch, 500 nits brightness. Processor: Apple M3 chip, 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 10-core GPU, hardware accelerated ray tracing, 16-core neural engine, 100 GB per second memory bandwidth. MacBook Air is our most popular and loved Mac, with more customers choosing it over any other laptop. And today it gets even better with the M3 chip and new capabilities. Charging and expansion: MagSafe 3 port, 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports with support for charging, DisplayPort Thunderbolt 3, up to 40 gigabit per second, USB 4, up to 40 gigabit per second. Height: 0.45 inch, 1.15 cm. Width: 13.40 inches, 34.4 centimeters. Depth: 9.35 inches, 23.76 centimeters. Weight: 3.3 pounds, 1.51 kilogram. Games get even better on MacBook Air with M3, delivering incredible performance, breathtaking graphics, and features like Game Mode in macOS Sonoma. Here's how MacBook Air with M3 compares to previous models. Compared to MacBook Air Intel 2020. Up to 13x faster performance, up to 6 more hours battery life, a camera with twice the resolution. Compared to MacBook Air M1. Up to 1.6 faster performance, a brighter, more spacious display, a camera with twice the resolution. There are 2 options. RAM 8 GB and 16 GB. Storage capacity 256 GB and 512 GB. Magic Keyboard and Touch ID. The comfortable and quiet backlit Magic Keyboard comes with a full-height function row with Touch ID, giving users a fast, easy, and secure way to unlock their Mac, sign in to apps and websites, and make purchases with Apple Pay, all with the touch of a finger. Users can work seamlessly across Mac and iPhone with continuity features like AirDrop, Universal Clipboard, Continuity Camera, and Handoff. Camera, mics, and speakers. With a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, users will look their best whether they're connecting with friends and family, or collaborating with coworkers around the world. I hope you like this informative video. For more videos, please subscribe Info of Tech.